Breaking, another California recall. This time, LA District Attorney faces heat from voters. Hello folks, my name is Jenna from Golden State Times. Welcome back to the newsroom, and today I have a breaking news story. This one comes courtesy of the Washington Examiner, and it says, newly elected District Attorney George Gascon is the subject of a recall campaign that began on Friday. It was spurred on by crime victims who have experienced lax criminal justice measures against their attackers. The unprecedented recall of the LA County's district attorney needs 579,000 signatures by October 27th to qualify for the ballot. It says that Governor Gavin Newsom is also facing a recall, which has received enough verified signatures to appear on the ballot in the fall. Both of these men are Democrats who have pissed off voters with their extreme leftist positions. It goes on to say that Desiree Andrade, which is one of the organizers of this recall, told reporters, quote, George Gascon got elected by disguising a radical, dangerous, and pro-criminal agenda as, quote, criminal justice reform, but that's not what he is doing. It goes on to say that she organized the recall after her son was kidnapped, then beaten to death with a metal pipe before being thrown over a cliff. Instead of seeking the death penalty, Gascon created a situation where the two defendants could be out of prison within 15 years. And Ms. Andrade said to reporters, quote, what he failed to mention was that he would cater to the most heinous offenders in our society at the expense of victims and let cold-blooded killers back onto our streets. She went on to say, quote, we have no choice but to seek Gascon's immediate removal from office because his twisted social experiment is jeopardizing the safety of our communities and victimizing the victims and their families all over again. It says that 15 of the LA County's 88 cities have given Gascon a vote of no confidence, with several more on the way. It finishes off by saying that Gascon was elected with the help of Black Lives Matter and funding from billionaire George Soros. He unseated Jackie Lacey, a black woman, with a barrage of criticism that she did not prosecute police officers. It goes on to say that radical changes have been made to the office, starting with the moratorium on the death penalty and cutting back on enhancements to serious crimes that lengthen prison sentences. It says that California has some of the strictest anti-crime laws in the nation, which includes adding 5 to 10-year prison sentences with enhancements that are tacked on to the original crime. This includes using a gun, being a gang member, and great bodily injury. It says that the three-strike law, which automatically gave defendants a sentence of 25 years to life for a third violent felony, was gutted by Gascon, and when he created a policy that disallowed including prior offenses as part of a new case. He was sued by his office's prosecutors union over this and lost the case back on February 8. All right, folks, so as you guys can see, this is the second George Soros minion that is getting kicked out of office by the voters in the great state of California. Now, the biggest problem that we have is who is going to replace this radical and Gavin Newsom in the near future. That is the biggest problem and the issue that we have here in the great state of California. But let us know what you guys think about this whole situation in the comments section below. We want to know your opinions or suggestions, everything. Sound off in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, we encourage you to subscribe and click that notification bell. Also, make sure you follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. But if you are on Gab or Parler, make sure you follow us at Golden State Times. Visit our website, goldenstatetimes.com, for all of our latest headlines and news. Make sure that you click the thumbs up button and you also share this video on social media. Every single time that you click the thumbs up button and share the video, you help us beat the YouTube algorithm. We hope to see you on the next one, but until then, my name is Jen Goldstein and I will see you very soon. Peace.